Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions, we're over in Burnley. Thorpe Hall over there in the distance. Very remote farm. Currently had a two-way system in, they were no good, so want the whole property covering. It's Starlink up there on the old mast. And that's fed into the barn. And an outdoor Deco. He wanted one network throughout the whole property and a wireless bridge. There's also outdoor Deco over there. This guy wanted a bit of overkill more than anything else. And then there's another Deco, again hardwired, full speeds, even at the top of that hill was getting about 180 meg. He's also having one on there. That's the other end of the wireless bridge, which is going to spray black shortly. Goes into the house. And again, there's a couple of Decos, all on the same network. Speeds in the property, about 240 meg. Need installation in Burnley, feel free to get in touch.